Here's how to install SMAPI and get mods working in Stardew Valley. Go to SMAPI.io and click the latest download link. Select Manual Download and wait a few seconds for the file to become available. Download and extract the zip file. Open the extracted folder and double-click the Windows installer. Click Run when Windows prompts you. The installer will open a command prompt and ask you to enter the path to your Stardew Valley folder. If you installed the game in the default Steam location, just press 1 and enter. SMAPI will find it automatically. If you have Steam on a different drive, you need to paste the correct path to the folder containing stardewvalley.dll. Select option 1 to install SMAPI and let it complete. At the end, you will see green text with a command to paste into Steam launch options. This is required if you want achievements to keep working while using mods. Copy it, go to Steam, right-click Stardew Valley, open Properties, and paste it into the Launch Options field. To install mods, download any mod from Nexus Mods, extract the folder, and drop it directly into the Mods folder inside your Stardew Valley directory. Launch the game through SMAPI, and the mod will load automatically. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on step-by-click.